it was just New Year's recently, we have a fun drink that we're going to make for you. This can be made with or without alcohol because it's a punch style drink. It is called Giggle Juice. What you're going to need for this are lemons, strawberries, sugar, lemon lime soda, vodka, pink lemonade, and Moscato. So first you'll take your slice of lemon and you'll rim the glass. Looks pretty good to me. Let's do the other one. Alright, the next step is to rim the glasses with the sugar. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of sugar. Okay. The next step is to chop up the rest of the strawberries. So you're going to need 2 cups of strawberries for this recipe. So after you get everything chopped up, you just need to add the ingredients into a pitcher. So you need your strawberries, and then you need 1 can of Sprite or lemon lime soda. You need a cup of vodka. And then you need a full bottle of Moscato. This isn't quite full, as you can see. I had to taste test it first, so it's good enough. It'll all work out. And then you need 3 cups of pink lemonade. And then you'll need to stir it up. Thank you.
Make sure everything is well mixed. I just spilled something. Okay, just a little bit. It's got a very fruity aroma. Delicious.
After that, all you need to do is add ice and then you can serve it. So we're just going to pour our Giggle Juice into our glasses and then add the ice after. This recipe makes 8 drinks, so didn't really think that one through.
Wow.
And voila!
Would you look at that?
You have your Giggle Juice.
To your best giggle.
I don't know. That sounds too bad. As you can tell, we're already giddy from this Giggle Juice.
Giggle.
Alright.
Alright. There you go.
Now comes the most exciting part. We get to try the drinks. I have here my lovely assistant, Bryce. So here he is. Here's Bryce. And we're going to try this out.
What does it taste like?
The wine flavor is pretty strong, but it's still masked enough by the pink lemonade. And the sugar is really good on the edge. So it's quite sweet, but it's not overpoweringly sweet.
It's really good. You should try it.
Alright.
Alright.
The Giggle Juice.
Yes, it tastes fine. Cheers!
Cheers! So good. I can't get any strawberries. I got one. Okay, bye! Enjoy your Giggle Juice. It's really yummy. Bye! I think that's fine.
We're gonna make some drinks today! Woo! Let me just go get the alcohol! Woo! So we're gonna get wild tonight?
I guess we're getting wild tonight. Ah!
Did you already have some Giggle Juice before you started this?
No?
What is happening?
You gotta be careful when you pour because it has a lot of strawberries, so they make things splash a little bit.
Is that
And if
what
you're-
you're going with?
If you're clumsy like me.
Oh my god. What is going on here?
I'm getting Okay. It's just really darkening your face and stuff. Yeah, there we go. That's better.
How do I look now?
Good Pip! Cheerio!
Pretty drunk. Okay.
We should make some dinner. I think I feel it already. We haven't eaten anything all day! No wonder we're loopy.
Turn it off.
Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Make sure you invite your friends so you don't drink it all to yourself and get wasted. A message from Bryce and Danae. If you made it this far into the video, you must have liked it, so why don't you give it a little thumbs up in the bottom there, and also click that subscribe button while you're looking down there. And hey, check out the description. I put a lot of effort into those things, so, you know, someone's gonna read it one day. Maybe that someone will be you. Who knows? Like and subscribe. Thanks.